Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss any update.
WolTop wallpaper. Let's open it. So this is the wallpaper we get. We get a cutter inside the wallpaper packet and nothing else. The wallpaper and the cutter. So this is the wallpaper, and we are going to apply this on this table. This table is 10 years old and the varnish is looking bad, so we are going to apply this over here.
Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I.